So you're gonna do is, I push back the cuticle, but I haven't cleaned and removed all of the shines on the nail plates. We're gonna do it shortly, but I want to show you how we are measuring it. Usually on the thumb, then you're gonna go to the first row here. Is some clients have the thumbnails on the nail plate is big, some is small. So you're gonna do, you are going to look at on the sides, and you'll place it on, but you're gonna look at the side wall and make sure it's go from a side wall to the side wall. So you don't want it's getting like a whole entire missing, or you don't want it to get overlap on the nail on your side wall right here. So you want to make sure it's going from a side wall to the side wall. So if you think like you are, this one, it looks really good, perfect. So number 2, so mostly majority of them are, if you are doing on the left and then on the right, they're usually in the same size. But if it not, then you can able to go one side bigger, which is like the smaller number is, the bigger it will be. So we're gonna do size 2. I'm gonna do a size right here, and I'm gonna size all of them and then put it on the sides. But now here's a tip and trick. If you have your clients that's come in regularly, and then you can able to size their nails, but then keep in mind, if they are doing a coffin nails versus to the almond nails, they might be slightly a little bit different. It might be wider, or it might be smaller. So keep in mind like that. So then this one, usually the ring fingers and the index are the same size. So I'm gonna get size 5. Let me check. And you can put it in the chart to make sure that you get the, it looks like this one's smaller. So it's really easy when you get this, sizing it down, it's gonna be like bam, it's easy to go, and it's fast, really quick, easy. I was like, wonder, this size 5, size 6, and it's just size 5 is a little bit. So it look like all your nails is like pretty much size 6. No, it is even smaller, size 7. Perfect. So when you are sizing it and you see that it's still missing on the edges right here, I will go one size bigger, which is going to size 7. So it's help to captures all of the on the edges from the side wall all the way to the side wall. So great, 7, 7, 7. And then this one, we're gonna do last one. Usually the last one either size 10 or size 11. It look like this one we are going to do need size 11 because even like smaller. So on this box, the size 11 and size 10 are mix it together because there are no slots, but we want to give you a lot more so you can fit pretty much every single set of nails for the clients. Perfect. And so now usually when you're seeing it like with the gel extension, with Glitz gel extension, you do not need to adjust the back of yours tips. I'm going to show you, it's really quick and easy. So what only we need is, we are going to use a base gels. I'm going to get you this prep first. And we're going to apply is really thin layer of the base gels. And about like 1/3 of the nails or half a nail to where exactly you are going, or closer to where you are going to apply this part into the nail plate. So I am go ahead and apply the base gel on all 10 nails. Key all of them for about 10 seconds. It's really quick. It's like going by order. This process, when I'm showing you with the step by step, it looks like it take a little bit, but it's just not. If you're doing your clients, it's gonna be really, it's like fast forward. So we're going by order, make sure they're all in order. And pretty much that is the clients now have the same on both left and the right. And so this one is on the left, right on her side and left on mine. This is the index fingers, and this is the middle fingers, and the other one is ring fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and apply all of them, and then we're gonna go in and prep the nails really quick. This is the rings fingers, and this is the pinky. It's really quick, fast, and easy. All right, we're gonna need this Bessie base again shortly.